My name is Colin Guilfoyle. The company is Nebula Consultancy. I'm the managing director. We have two elements to the company. We're a mobile application developer. We work with other companies to build apps on their behalf. So we kind of assemble various teams depending on the fit of what's required for the company, so that we can kind of address their needs in the specific project. And then the other half of the company is we're producing a game in association with Grace Communications, which is Enterprise Ireland backed and has won the Honeycomb Captivate award. So we are basically put together a team based in a Unity development environment where we're building a computer game that's based on village life in Africa, with the unique selling point, I suppose, that any money you buy in-game currency with goes to a third world country, to a development agency in a project they're working on. Well, we had a couple of projects on the go at the same time, and to be quite honest, the project management methodology that was being used was just get it done by any means necessary. We're left with a lot of projects, a lot of irons in the fire, and trying to manage the various projects with no fixed methodology wasn't really going to work. And we found that most of the very good developers that we were bringing in on a contract worked within Scrum, so working and talking their language was what was key and important. I found the course to be very good. I suppose for a couple of different elements. One obviously was the mix of people on the course. We had everything from project managers who had purely worked in Waterfall to experienced developers who were working in Scrum already, but as we were calling it, Scrum-ish, and they wanted to refine the process. So to get the different viewpoints and to see how different people react to it was quite important and quite useful. For me, I think the most useful part of it was the practical at the end of the second day, because it's all well and good reading about it, but you have to implement it to really see where the bottlenecks and the issues are. And while you can't go out and roll out a software project in an afternoon, the Lego building method that was adopted conveyed across what was required, and we learned an awful lot from it. And who doesn't like playing with Lego? Oh, definitely, yeah. For us, it's been a game changer, particularly just as I say with the game development. But in general, just it's exceptionally useful. The tools are very suitable for what it is, that a knowledge-based project, a development project, and it just removes a lot of the headaches and the uncomfortableness that surrounds working within Waterfall, particularly if you're more of a developer or a graphic artist type.